What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series with another crazy two-tone with a pearl over top of it. And hey, we got 2X Rustoleum, we got crazy pearls, we got clear. Let's create something awesome. Anyways, today the colors we're starting with are gloss dark gray and satin magenta, which by the time I put the clear over top, it won't be satin anymore, it'll be gloss. And of course, the bronze pearl is what we're putting over top of it. So I'm thinking this is going to create a really cool color, and I'm hoping for it. But anyways, as always, I'm going to two-tone this fender behind me real quick with some Rustoleum, and then we'll get to shooting some pearls. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so for today's experiment, I'm mixing up 5 ounces of my test clear. That's 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of hardener because it mixes 4 to 1. I do not recommend this clear to take full scale. I'm just pretty much using it for test purposes. If you want to buy some good clear, if you want to buy pearls, the paint gun, anything I use in this video, look at the link down in the description of this video. It says as seen on YouTube. Click on that link. It'll take you to my Amazon page where you can buy anything you see on the channel, guys. Full transparency, I do get a small kickback from it, but it costs you guys nothing extra. Plus you have the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else. And it helps the channel, so it's a win-win, right? Alright, I forgot a stir stick, so I gotta get a stir stick real quick. We'll mix this up and we'll add the pearls. So, 1 second. And I'm back. Gotta love that editing, right? Anyways, let's get this mixed up really good. Get the activator mixed in good with the clear. And this is a 5-gram bag of pearl. It's part of a sample set also in my As Seen on YouTube collection. I'm going to put about half a gram to a gram of pearl in here. Doesn't take much. We're just doing a fender and we're just going for an effect. So put a little bit of that in here. That should be plenty. And that's going to be it for the bronze. We'll mix it up really good. I'm going to come in close and show you guys what this looks like before we load the gun up and get to spraying. So as you guys can see, this is a very bright, vivid pearl. Obviously it's bronze, so it should be, right? And I think it's going to look really, really poppy over this dark gray and this magenta when the sun hits it. It's a good contrasting colors, so I can really show off this pearl. So let's get it loaded up in the gun, and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, I've given my Rustoleum about 20 minutes to flash off really good. It is a little on the hot side today. It's about 85 degrees. I use medium temp reducer. Anything over 60 I always go to medium temp. Anything below 60, like 55 degrees, I use the fast. But anyways, I'm shooting this today through my Vivor gun. It's a 1.4 tip. I usually target for 28 PSI. That is wide open trigger if you want to replicate my settings. And always keep your pearls agitated in the gun, guys, so they don't clump. But I'm going to go ahead and put a tack coat on this, and we'll probably do 2 or 3 coats, take it outside, and see what it looks like in the sun. So let's get into it. guys, so that's the spray out today. Magenta and dark gray with a bronze pearl over top. Now, did it do what you thought it was going to do? What do you think of it, guys? Rate it 1 to 5. 1, you don't like it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. I've had a lot of people wanting to see more of a chocolate root beer type of color, so that's kind of why I did it over gray the way I did today. And magenta was just a toss-up. I didn't know how it was going to look, but I thought it would be a cool contrast. And that's what this channel is all about. Oddball combinations you maybe never would have thought of that we just try. And hey, it might be so good of a color that you just can't help but paint your car with it the next time you get it sprayed. But that's what this channel is all about, guys. Learning together and just having fun with it. Shooting Rustoleum colors and cool pearls and creating new custom combinations. But I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button. Drop me a like and comment. Helps me out tremendously, guys. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. And when we hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away paint guns, pearls, all kinds of stuff. And the only thing you got to do to win is be subscribed. You don't even have to buy nothing. So win-win, right? So that's going to be it for me today, guys. It's getting hot out here, and I'm ready to go into the house. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. You guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you on the next spray out.